I know you miss Wilhelmina. Now we are on October 31st. We are almost end of the year. October 31st, 2020. I know you miss Wilhelmina live, and I was being asked by a follower on YouTube and on Facebook, Wilhelmina, when are you going to have live? I said Saturday I would have live because I was busy yesterday, and Thursday I was busy screening buyers who wanted to buy this precious item in Africa. On my previous video from the beginning to the end, I always advise everyone, this gold business is not for everyone. If you're asking for CIF, stand for cost insurance and freight only, I can guarantee you would fail. Why? Gold is not for credit. Gold is money. I'll give you an example. Today we are now on social media, right? We can put products for sale on social media, and buyer easy to find a supply this time, not like before, many years ago when internet was not being accessed. We send faxes, right? We communicate by fax. Now, we don't need fax anymore. We don't send faxes to any client. We send it via email or Skype, or we can communicate Zoom, or we can communicate Facebook Live and WhatsApp. So today, the buyer, it's easy for the buyer to find a supply. Now I'll give you an example first. I bought this one, this language translator. I saw this advertisement on Facebook. I purchased this one because I'm going to Africa after the international flight would be open by December. So this language translator, it would help me because some of the people in Mali, in Sierra Leone or Conakry, they don't speak English much. So I'm going to use this one as my translator. Right. I'm just giving you an example. Why you guys, you said that, oh, I want to buy gold, no upfront fee. I'm going to give you the answer to that. Now, I bought this blood pressure. This blood pressure, I saw this one advertised on Facebook as well. Yeah? And, see, can you see that? I purchased this one via online as well. So I paid this one in advance. And I paid this one is in advance. And I was waiting for 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah? I bought this one. I bought 3 of those because I'm going to give to my head office, my boss, because my boss is also stressed. So I have 3 of those. So why you guys, you cannot afford to pay, and why I can afford to buy upfront, I pay upfront in advance, and you are the buyer said, oh, I don't want to pay in advance. To me, you're a joker. Now, why you are a joker? This gold business is not for joker. 3 days ago, I have been interviewing a lot of buyers. They said they are hungry of supply. They want gold to bring it to Europe. They want gold to bring it to Hong Kong, Singapore, Istanbul, and Dubai. So I was listening to this American guy, and we created a group chat, right? And this American guys, he was connected by a gentleman. I'm not going to mention their name so that they would not embarrass. So while I was talking with this American guy, he said he has an office in Dubai, but he lives in the United States. I start to wonder. So his number is American number +1. So this gentleman connected me that he has a buyer on group chat on WhatsApp, voice conversation. But not knowing I was listening. You must remember, guys, when you call me, automatic, WhatsApp, my gadgets automatic recorded. So you don't need to be scared. The reason why is I have automatic recording because that is for my file. In the future, if you muck around, I go back to my file that you have been talking to Wilhelmina. Now, however, this American buyer says, I am the buyer of 500 kilos. I was listening to this American buyer that he said he has an office in Dubai, blah, blah, blah. He doesn't want to send a letter of intent. He doesn't want to show the proof of fund. He doesn't want to, to show his paperwork. And he wanted me to tell my seller to bring gold to Dubai and the refinery will do the assay of my seller's gold. After the final assay, this buyer pay my seller. And I told this seller, this buyer, are you finished? Say yes. Okay. I understand what you're saying. To me, you're crook. Number one, why you're crook? You don't know how to introduce yourself. You demanded us to bring gold to Dubai, not knowing who you are, not showing your business registration who you are, not showing your importation license who you are, not showing who is your refinery, and then you wanted us to bring gold to Dubai without any paperwork, and you wanted us to pay everything. To me, you're a crook. You're a thief. You're a criminal. Goodbye and good luck. Simple as that. Now another buyer, they said to me, I am a buyer. I want the gold to be delivered in Europe. Okay. And how long you've been searching gold in Africa? Oh, I've been searching for gold for many months and they're all scammers. Really? And I told this buyer, you are one of the scammer. And I told this buyer, define me the word scam. On the old version, is a liar, deceitful, manipulator. And you said that Africa is a scam. Yes, there's a lot. Yes, there's a lot. Because Africa is a huge deposit of gold. There's a seller that offer you cheap price. Yes, he will deceive you. Yes, because he gonna offer you cheap price. $32,000, that is only 14 carats. Yes, I just finished talking to this American guy. And he said that he was being offered $35,000. And I told him, do the research on gold rate on Sierra Leone. He was surprised. 22 carats is 55,000 in Sierra Leone. And I told him, type gold rate in Ghana is still the same. The tax is based on the world market. He was surprised. And I told him, you have been offered 14 carats. We don't sell 14 carats. We sell 22 carats. So I have a very long discussion before I pop in. He's an American guy. He was been following my video. He said to me, I am the only person who show my face and I am the only person who explain it. Yes, I am the one. I want to educate buyers. I feel sorry for African seller. Yes. This African seller offer you cheap price, 35, 32. That's only to tease you. Yeah. They were teasing you in order for you to grab so that you can travel to the particular country. Yes, there's a lot of gold and there's a lot of diamond. But when you travel to that particular country, I'm telling you, there's a lot of surprises. The seller who offer you 35, that's not the price. That's not the price because when you buy the gold, the Department of Mines will say, where is the receipt of your payment? You need to pay the gold bank to bank because of money laundering and gold laundering. So you are one of the gold launderer. You are asking to bring to Dubai, asking no payment. You are one of the launderer. So go online Write what is the meaning of gold launderer or money laundering. You are one of the launderer. Now, I read the articles. There was a huge looting of gold from Bamako, Mali. So on my page, there is an article. The custom seized the gold. A French soldiers looted the gold from Mali. Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. Conakry is the fourth. Yeah? But you will never get gold from us if you're asking CIF. You will never get the gold from us if you're asking LC or credit. Gold is not for credit. I'll give you an example again. I'll show you. I wouldn't be able to get this language translator if I asked them for credit. I paid this one with my Visa card. I have the money available on my Visa card. Yeah? And I bought this blood pressure. I bought three of this. If I don't have the money on my bank account to pay this one in advance, this blood pressure would not deliver to my doorstep. And this one. Yeah? I bought this one because I need to know my blood pressure as well. Because you are the one giving me stress. Why you're giving me stress? You don't have the money. Yeah. So this is I bought this one three. Because when I travel to Africa, I'm going to give my boss a gift. This is a gift. Very portable. You can buy that. How do I bought this one? I saw it on Facebook. Yeah. I saw this on Facebook. Facebook is an advertising site. And we advertise that we have the gold. We advertise on Facebook that we have the gold. We advertise on YouTube that we have the gold. This is exactly the same. I bought this one through Facebook. And you, as a joker buyer, when you saw my beautiful face, you're excited. Don't be excited. To me, I'm not excited to discuss business with you if you don't read, because our full corporate offer is already in front of you. Just click below. You will see very extensively the price of gold. It depends from the world market. Now, take your calculator. We are now almost end of 2020. Yeah? 8 weeks more, end of 2020. We are now on August 31st. Here in Australia is evening. The time is 9:45. In 3 hours or 4 hours time would be Sunday, November 1st. Because we have time difference. So I'm just giving you a very extensive explanation. Now we are here to sell. I advertise on Facebook and on YouTube that we have the supply in Africa. I am not African. I am Australian, but I was born in the Philippines. So don't misunderstood about me. I was hired by a company in Africa as an extension office. I'm the one who will interview you. I'm the one who will screen who you are. I'm the one who will ask you, how did you find Wilhelmina? And you're going to say, I found you on YouTube and Facebook. Did you read? Not really. Go back and read. Because on every video, full corporate offer is on every video. On YouTube, subscribe, it says show more. So when you click show more, you will see a very extensive procedure. On YouTube, I have 1.6 subscriber. They visit me and look at on how they're gonna get the gold and rough diamond. It's really very simple if you have the cash. Now let's talk about how you're gonna get gold in Conakry, Bamako, Mali, and Sierra Leone. Very simple. Do you have cash? Do you? Do you have cash to buy on 5 kilos. How much you can afford, Mr. Buyer? If you're a businessman and you said, oh, my business is not functioning because we don't have the supply, correct. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. But if you don't have cash, how could your business function if you don't have the cash? Because gold and rough diamond is not for credit. This is cash business. Now, Mr. Buyer, I know you have been duped before because you have been offered 14 carats, which is $35,000. There is no 14 carats. The gold in Africa is 22.54, it is 23 carats. The purity is from 96, 97, 98. Our selling price based on the world market. Now I'm going to the world market today. Today is Saturday, so the price of gold, it fluctuates. Okay, just a moment. Okay, I'm gonna go on the world market. Okay. Now the price of gold, it fluctuates just like a swing. You hit the swing, fly and down and fly and down. So like a cradle swinging. So the price of gold today, we're on August, November 31st, is 6,400. So don't bank on it. So if I'm were you, if you're really a smart gold trader, buy now. Buy now while the price is down. Because there is a prediction on 2021, especially in America. There is an election, the neck-to-neck fighting who will be the winner on American election. So everybody is watching the president who is going to run the country, either Trump or Biden. So I read on the news on Kitco that there is a prediction that the gold will turn on 2021, middle of 2021, the gold will turn to 2,500 per ounce. This is only a prediction, so don't bank on it. So keep reading on the movement of gold, you will understand. So most of you come to my page. At the same time, I'm an information center. So there is no way you found any person who provide information on Wilhelmina's virtual store. So for short, at the same time, I'm an information center. This is my store. So now, Mr. Buyer, we are offering you, if you want to buy gold from us, just click on Conakry, just click on Bamako, Mali, just click on Sierra Leone. You will see the price of gold. You will see the procedure on how to purchase on Conakry. Now, we have a buyer arriving to Conakry. 2 buyers. They're going to start 5 kilos and 10 kilos. So, because of the election in Conakry, so the visa has been withheld. Today is 31st. So Monday, I was being told by my head office, the visa of this buyer would be sent to me and I will send it to the buyer. They're both from UK. And they're going to hand carry the gold to United Emirates as a trial. So he met the criteria, this buyer. He sent me his business registration. He did send me his passport copy. He did send me his importation license. That is a real buyer. And he's going to pay cash, bank to bank. So he would be the guest of my company that I work with, that I facilitate. At the moment, I wouldn't be able to be with them because in Australia, the international flight is not open yet. It would open next month or December. So after December, I would be traveling to Bamako, Mali, and Conakry and Sierra Leone by January 2021. I only travel with the buyer. I don't travel without the buyer fully validated, meaning to say fully screened. When I screen the buyer, when the buyer sent me his business registration, importation license, passport copy, and proof of fund, then I would know which seller I'm going to put you. And I'm the one who will advise the seller to proceed. I am the one who will reject you. I'm the one because I am the extension office of the seller. Last month, my head office in Bamako, Mali, shipped the gold 200 kilos, the value of 10,800,000. The buyer has no issue because he need the supply. Yeah, he traveled to Bamako, Mali, and met my head office, but he is an existing customer. So we were giving him a very good deal. Yeah. So Mr. Buyer, tell me, why are you still keep on running and chasing? Well, Amina is here in front of you. You don't need to keep on running around. Just be honest. Just be truthful. Be transparent, Mr. Buyer. Show me, prove to me that you can afford to pay. Because gold is not for credit. Gold is not the standard letter of credit. Meaning to say you don't have the cash. You're going to borrow money in the bank using the contract because you don't have cash available. Yeah, you have an asset. You have a solid asset, but you don't have a liquid asset. Gold is a liquid asset. Yeah? So, you failed. So, there was an American was talking to me few minutes ago. He said, Madam, I have a friend who did send money to Sierra Leone to smelt the dust gold. And the seller promised that the gold will send it to United States. I said to this guy, I doubt. You did not pay the gold. You only pay for the ASI cost. And you only pay for taxes. That seller is using your money. Yeah. That seller, he has a lot of dust gold. Hi, Donald Kirsty. Donald from Botswana. Good evening, Donald. Thank you for coming. I know everybody were asking about, well, Amina, when are you be on live? I said Saturday because I was really extremely busy. I was interviewing a lot of buyers. Reject, 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 reject. They're asking for CIF. They don't understand, Donald, what is the meaning of CIF, cost, insurance, and freight only. They couldn't afford to pay the products. They can only afford to pay the shipping cost and insurance. We don't do that. You have to pay the gold, plus you have to pay the shipping cost, plus you have to pay the insurance. That is a real business. Donald, you miss me. I was explaining a few minutes ago, Donald. I bought this one, language translator, because I'm traveling by January. So in Conakry and in Bamako, Mali, there are French speaking people, but most of the people, 50% can speak English. But I love this one. I purchased this one, Donald. Donald is watching me on my live Facebook. I purchased this one, Donald, through advertisement on Facebook. And I also purchased, Donald, the blood pressure. Okay? Okay, this blood pressure. I purchased this one, 3 of this blood pressure, because I have to give it to my seller. Can you see? This blood pressure, they put that into your arm, Donald.
Quiet and relax.
Right?
Please keep the cuff at the
See?
same height with your heart.
Yeah? And this one. How did I get this, Donald? Through Facebook. And those people say, oh, well, Amina, why are you putting the product on Facebook? We are advertising. Facebook is the advertising site. There's a lot of buyer looking and looking and looking who is the real supplier. We are the supplier of gold. Look at this. Yeah, I was intrigued. So these gadgets can help me when I go to the market in Mali, and when I go to the market in Conakry, I can talk to the local people that doesn't speak English. So this translator would help me. And then you guys said, oh, well, Amina, why you advertise on Facebook? Yes, Facebook is an advertising site. We are here to sell directly to the buyer, not directly to the chain of Joker Broker. Yeah, Joker Broker, they come to my page. They collect information, that's fine. At the same time, my page is an information center. I put everything, the knowledge, so that those buyers would understand that gold is not for credit. Gold is cash. Remember this one, this is not for credit. This is cash. I paid in advance. I use my Visa card. Of course, my Visa card have cash available. I was waiting for this one 2 weeks. I paid in advance. And why you buyer are scared to pay the products? You are afraid to pay the gold. That's not advance. You have to make a down payment, a deposit. Yes, I paid this one. I have no question at all. This product made in China. I purchased this one in Europe. Yeah, and they are receiving order exactly the same as my role. I am receiving the order from you guys. So this one from Europe, but the product made in China. And this one from Europe, I ordered it, but the product made in China, in Hong Kong. Yeah, I was waiting for 3 weeks because I ordered three of this. And you guys are scared to trust African. I am here to remove your mentality. I am here to clean the tricks of the foreigner. I am here to clean the tricks of the buyer asking for CIF. Africa can feed the world. Africa rich on oil, rich on gold, bauxite, diamond, coffee, cashew nut, and so forth. If you are wise, reader, click on my page. There was a French soldiers, French government. They looted Mali, lots of gold, and it was intercepted by the custom from Mali. Can you imagine that? France has no gold. Yeah, they have no gold. They go to Africa, those under French colony. Go on my page. There was an article that I put that because I'm a reader about current event. My gosh, Africa can feed the world. Why Chinese are there? Why Italians are there? Why Australian mining companies are there? Why Germans are there? Why? Why big company are there? And you, as a good trader, you are a joker asking CIF, you don't need to put money, you want to sell it to Dubai, you want to sell it to Europe, then when the gold arrive in your hand, you will default the payment. My seller has been defaulted by the buyer $23 million. Yeah? My seller in Bamako, Mali was defaulted the buyer from Istanbul. Either the buyer has been scammed by the seller or the seller has been scammed by the buyer, vice versa. Well, Amina, I'm here to expose you guys. Yes, that is why you're scared with me. Don't be scared with me because I am cleaning the dirty tricks of foreigners. Yeah? Chinese, Indians, Lebanese are there in Africa. You're a small trader, you make sure you have the capital. Yeah? Do not travel with no capital because I'm telling you, you're gonna be stranded. Isn't it, Donald? Tell me, Donald. Mhm. Donald is from South Africa. He's been following me for many years. He learned from me, isn't it, Donald? He's watching me on my live on Facebook. Yeah? Mm. So, who is this watching me? Just a moment. Okay. Okay, someone is watching me. I'm gonna have. Okay, just bear with me. Mhm. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna review after my live video. Now, I was talking to a gentleman from Dubai. He's an American guy. And I told this gentleman, I rejected Sagis and Roy already in the past. And Sagis been dealing with this American gentleman. And this American gentleman was really depressed. And I told him, forget about Sagis. Sagis, if you're watching me, I rejected you already. And you're asking for his BLC, standard letter of credit. I doubt. So 5 months already, and Mr. Sider was being depressed. I said to Sider, I told you that before, don't deal with that gentleman. Indians are very tricky, believe me. I met a lot of Indian. There are good Indians and bad Indians. I was in Dubai before lockdown. I met a lot of Indian. They're just a broker, pretending, oh, I'm a buyer, but they don't have the money. There was a young Indian come to see me. There was an elderly Indian come to see me face to face at Holiday Inn when I was in Dubai before lockdown. Lucky I arrived in Australia March 2. There's so many buyer wanted to see me, but all of them is not a buyer. They're a broker joker broker. Their buyer is the jewelry manufacturer. Their buyer is a refinery. They are broker to the refinery. I told them, I want to see your buyer. Said, no, I have to know your seller. I said, you already met Wilhelmina. I have to know you because I have the power to reject you. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching me, 2021, you will regret it. Yeah? Remember 2019. I warn everyone, bank now, because there would be a prediction 2020, the price will rise. I was right. 2019, the price of gold was 40 to 45, then goes up to 45 to 50, then goes up to 55. Today, we are now 2020, $60,000. Right? So what happened after American election? Everybody is holding. Yeah? So gold is the most important commodity in the world. Where the gold coming from? Africa. Yes? Ghana, Conakry, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Burkina Faso, Mali, Tanzania, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, South Africa. Gold is a huge deposit in Africa. Africa can feed the world. That is why all the big company is in Africa. How do I know? I was there. And my brain was blown. My gosh, that is the reason why most foreigners come to Africa thinking they can get gold cheap. What happened? Those buyers come to Africa looking for cheap price. They're waiting for disaster. Why? Local seller as well, they will trick you. To me, my seller would not trick you because we put everything online. I'm the one who will clean you guys. Yeah? Hans was telling me, you are the best, Wilhelmina. Hans is from Liberia. I just finished talking to Hans. And he's American citizen. You know what he said? Wilhelmina, I learned from your video. Thank God you are the only person who can clean the bad image of Africa. And I told Hans, the company hired me. I didn't apply for marketing. So they hired me. Yeah, I am cleaning the bad image of Africa, but it would take time to understand you guys that you will never get gold or rough diamond asking for cheap price. Never. You will burn your fingers. There was a young guy, an Indian. His name is Mr. Purihat. He was been running around and chasing for diamond. And he knows me, and he was been talking to me for 3 years. Now he changed his profile on Facebook. He doesn't want to show his face, but I have his profile. And he's asking me, Madam, I want you to help me. I want you to be my partner. I don't need to be any partner. You just buy for diamond. We will invite you, then inspect. You wanted the diamond to come to Dubai. I said, no, we don't. The diamond needs a Kimberly certificate. I said to Mr. Purihat, you have been running around and you're a very tricky buyer. He's a young gentleman. You're a very tricky buyer. That is the reason why you fail. He lose money because he's also trick. He's a very tricky guy. Indians are very tricky. Chinese as well are tricky. You will never trick me if I'll meet you face to face. You will never trick me because I will give you 30 minutes of my conversation. A minute you don't answer my question, you finish. Yeah, exactly this American guy. We have a live conversation on WhatsApp. I was listening on him. Yeah, and I told him, you finish? Yes, thank you very much. We're not interested. Simple as that. Why I rejected him, he said, we don't show you my business registration. We don't show you proof of fund. I would not show you my passport copy. Just bring the gold to Dubai. I said, thank you very much. You're a criminal. You're a thief. You're a swindler. You're a smuggler. You teach us to smuggle the gold. No. The Department of Mines will stop it. Just like recently, these French soldiers from France, they looted the gold in Mali. Custom detected, opened the metal box. Yeah, they were being intercepted in Mali. That is why I'm warning you guys, do not cut corner. Because a minute that the custom detected, they will open your metal box. That is why you need to have an export documentation as a report, the receipt of your payment, the receipt of ownership, the receipt that the gold is free of illegal activity, the receipt of custom. Without that, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna fail. Yes, that is the reason why I'm explaining to you live, so that when you come to Alamina, you would not be deceived by my seller. Yeah, but when I travel with you, I do charge my extra service. I am not an agency. I am here to assist you. Of course, you're buying $500,000 here. Do you think I'm going to travel just with you? No way. I'm giving you all the free. Yeah, I am here to sell. I am here to receive your order. Yeah, our selling price based on the world market. Read the full corporate offer. Click below on Facebook. Click below on YouTube. It says show more. You click that show more. I can guarantee you, you will understand what you are looking for. Don't come to Alamina if you are not a buyer. Don't. Because I'm telling you, when you come on conference on Skype or WhatsApp, do not say hello to me because I'm going to ignore you. My name is not hello. My name is Wilhelmina Ford. You already saw me on Facebook, right? And you come on Facebook. Dear Wilhelmina, I have a buyer. I saw your procedure. My buyer is looking for CIF. I said, no, we're not interested. Right on there, you finish. So you read the full corporate offer properly because it says here in front of you, click below, it says gold is FOB, bank to bank. The discount is already in front of you. I will no longer elaborate. I want you to read. If you are a buyer's mandate, you read it properly. You educate your buyer. Educate. And to make sure, to be honest with you, I don't deal chain of joker broker. I don't. I prepare to deal directly to the buyer. The buyer can buy directly to us. Exactly this one. The marketing firm based in Europe. Can you imagine that? And the product made in China. Huh? So I order this language translator in Europe. They are receiving order. And I paid in advance. I was waiting for 3 weeks for this. And blood pressure. the marketing firm based in Europe. Yeah, they advertise on Facebook. So now, and you don't say, you say, I don't trust African. Me too, I don't trust you. Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't trust you either. If you don't show me your business registration, I would not trust you either if you don't show me your proof of fund, your bank statement that you have $1 million. Yeah? And I would not entertain you. You send me cut and paste LOI. I wouldn't. I will put that on trash can. Yeah? That is why I put everything online. I advertise that we are the main supplier. I work for the supplier. I am here to receive the order, just like this one. This company, yeah, this company called, yeah, this is the company, yeah. I'm just giving you an example, Mr. Buyer, right? Instant translator, yeah. See here, how do I get this one? Through Facebook, yeah. I place an order, and you're scared on African seller. You don't. I'm a woman. I traveled to Africa. I wasn't. I don't have any security guard. Because once you're gonna be invited by my seller, you will be a special guest. Uh-huh. You will be. But if you're not invited, I can guarantee you, you will encounter disaster. 100%. But if you're on the ground and then you meet an accident, well, Amina, I've been deceived. I'm sorry, I wouldn't be able to entertain you because we don't deal buyer already on the ground. I wouldn't. We entertain buyer that already meet the criteria. We entertain buyer with invitation. We will prepare to deal directly to the buyer, yeah, with the company invitation. That is the protocol of my seller. And I'm only receiving your order. So how are you gonna place an order? Very clear and simple. Yes, you read the full corporate offer, you send a letter of intent to purchase coming from you, not cut and paste. No, because when you cut and paste without seeing who is the main buyer, I will not respond to you. Your LOI would be on the willy bin. Why I'm very strict? I make sure that the buyer who sent a letter of intent to purchase coming from him is a real buyer because I'm going to interview that particular buyer. I'm going to call him, Mr. Buyer, is this your letter of intent? But it says here, Mr. Buyer, CIF, did your buyer's agent educate you? That is my question. And if the buyer say, oh no, I want to buy CIF, thank you very much, Mr. Buyers, I wish you good luck. Yes? So if you're working for your buyer, Mr. Broker, you read, because Walamina is very strict. Hans was right. Walamina, you are really, really very tough. I said, yes, I am. Yes, because I am cleaning the bad image of Africa. Because when I was in Africa, there's a lot of foreigner. Yes, yes, a lot of foreigner was being scammed, correct? In Ghana, in Mali, Sierra Leone, in Conakry. Yes, 100%. Guarantee you will be scammed if you will not be guided. Mr. Buyer, talk to us. I can assure you, 100% guarantee you will get the supply. But how are you able to pay, Mr. Buyer? How? If you cannot afford, Mr. Buyer, I'm sure your business would not function. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. You must remember, Mr. Buyer. He who has the gold and diamond makes the rules. The government is making the rules, not you. You follow the golden rules of the government in order for you to get the supply. How are you going to follow, Mr. Buyer? The requirement is in front of you. Just scroll down, click, take time. I want you to read thoroughly because our full corporate offer is very extensively. I put everything in order for you to understand, in order for you to register before you come for conference. And once you are in Africa, you only stay 9 working days. Now, Mr. Buyer, I would not elaborate because you are well educated. You know the business. You cannot function your business if you don't have the cash in your bank account. Simple as that. Mr. Buyer, I have to leave you because someone is buzzing me on my WhatsApp. I can see it. And also on Skype. They wanted to talk to me. I don't know why. So Mr. Buyer, don't be scared with Wilhelmina. Believe me, Wilhelmina is a very kind and generous. Wilhelmina is here with you to assist you to get the supply. But convince me, do you have the money, Mr. Buyer? Do you? Show me the proof of fund. I will not entertain you, Mr. Buyer, if you are on the ground. I'm sorry. That's not my responsibility. You're already on the ground. You made a mistake. You're dealing with so many joker seller. You have been offered 35. That is your fault. That's not my fault because our selling price is premium. We give you a discount based on the world market. Yes, we're not selling cheap price here. Do you understand the meaning of precious item, Mr. Buyer? Do you? Precious means there is a value on it, isn't it? I'll give you an example again before I close, Mr. Buyer. You want to buy groceries. You want to buy bread, egg, banana, avocado, rice, milk. What happens if you don't have the money? Do you think the checkout lady allow that groceries to take with you without any payment? Do you? Now I'm going to turn it back to gold. You saw the gold? Our gold is now through the video and diamond. You select, you place an order, then we will invite you after my validation. If I'm not satisfied, we will not invite you to travel. What's the point? You're wasting time. So that is the reason why you're scared of Wilhelmina. Don't be scared, Mr. Buyer. Don't. I am here to assist you. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Donald, I have to leave you. So thank you for watching, Donald. And I have to be with this buyer on Skype because he's sending me a message. All right, thank you, Donald. And keep learning, Donald. Keep learning. All right, thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.